Want to learn intraday trading but don't know where to start? In this beginner-friendly guide, we break down the basics of day trading stocks, risk management, chart reading, and common mistakes new traders make. In this video, you'll learn what intraday trading is, how day traders make money, how to read stock charts, support and resistance basics, risk management rules, common beginner mistakes to avoid, how to start day trading with a small account. Whether you're completely new to the stock market or looking to improve your trading skills, this video will help you understand the fundamentals of intraday trading. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing or trading. Have you ever wondered how traders buy and sell stocks within the same day and make money from small price movements? That's called intraday trading, also known as day trading. Intraday trading means opening and closing a trade on the same day. Traders look for opportunities when stock prices move up or down during market hours. The first thing every beginner should understand is that trading is not gambling. Successful traders follow a plan and manage risk carefully. Before placing a trade, traders analyze charts. One of the most important concepts is support and resistance. Support is a price level where buyers tend to step in, while resistance is a level where sellers often take control. For example, if a stock repeatedly bounces from a certain price level, that level may act as support. Risk management is even more important than finding winning trades. Many professional traders risk only 1% of their account on a single trade. This helps protect their capital during losing streaks. A common mistake beginners make is trading without a stop loss. A stop loss automatically exits a trade if the price moves against you. Another mistake is chasing stocks after they've already made a huge move. Instead, wait for clear setups and stick to your trading plan. Remember, successful trading is about consistency, discipline, and managing risk, not getting rich overnight. If you're new to intraday trading, start small. Practice on a demo account, and focus on learning before risking real money. That's the foundation of becoming a better trader.